In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a WhatsApp profile link for your WhatsApp account, whether it's being your normal WhatsApp or your WhatsApp business. In this case, when people click on the link, they get redirected to your WhatsApp profile straight and then they start sending you messages. Very simple. Let me show you guys how to do this. I'm going to show you guys a manual way of doing this. So now let me hop on my Meta AI here like this, and then let me paste this link. So you just need to paste this link and then you add your phone number. So you can create it for every WhatsApp by just adding the phone number. So this is the link. I'm going to paste it in the video description, just like I said earlier. So whatsapp.me, and then you add the phone number. Sometimes you can choose to add your country code, but then in this video I'm not going to do that. So let me enter this phone number for this WhatsApp. This is a normal WhatsApp, but I'm going to generate a profile link for it. So you can see now. Let me send that, and now let me try to copy it. So let me copy the link, or let me just tap on it straight away, and then good. You can see this is you, this is me. You get it? Yeah, it has been redirected to my own profile. You can do it for any number. Let me do it for a different number of mine. Let me change the phone number for a different number. So that was for normal WhatsApp. This is for WhatsApp business account 8609772. Let me send this and let me tap on this as well. So it is going to redirect me to that account. So now let me wait, and you can see this is the account. This is a business account. You can see it's been written on top there. That's a business account. So that's it on how you can generate a profile link for a WhatsApp account manually by yourself in 2025 and beyond. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And also I'm going to drop this link, so you just add your preferred phone number to it in this video's description. So that's it once again. Peace.